So you want to get paid for an item. Let's say we made a painting for Paul, and that price was $623. And we want to send him a PayPal link. Now, we could go to PayPal and enter this number, but we could also do a very simple link, https://paypal.me/your username. So you put your username here, and then we want to put in this price. But we don't want to have to like type it out here. We want to use Google Sheets' really cool features, which is equals, and put this into a quotes, and now put an ampersand, and now select B2. And now we have a link that we can send to Paul and say, here, for the painting, pay this amount. And when they click this, it will open PayPal. If they don't have PayPal, they have to create an account. If they have PayPal, they can just pay you. Here, we can do another painting here for Rupert. And maybe this one was a little bit more, $983 total price. And we copy and paste this down. And here we have money links. This is all we have to do. Just sort of concatenate the price at the end of paypal.me/whatever your username is, and then another slash, and then the number. And that number could be a few cents as well, or dollars. Let's say a painting for Oscar is only $99.23. Just copy paste this down, and there it is, 99.23. And there are money links in Google Sheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.